Welcome to Five Fingers Exports Private Limited. Today we see the complete process behind sugar bag manufacturing. Every strong product begins with something small, and this journey begins with a single granule. At every stage, the manufacturing process follows Bureau of Indian standards, ensuring quality, safety, and consistency in every sugar bag. Now entering into raw material, the start of strength. The process begins with HDPE or PP granules, which are fed into the tape extrusion line and converted into thin films. These granules are melted under controlled temperatures and stretched into strong, narrow tapes. This is where raw material begins its transformation into engineered strength. Tape width, 2.5 millimeters. Next stage will be weaving, building the fabric. The tapes are then fed into high-speed circular looms, where they are woven into a durable fabric. Thread by thread, layer by layer, the woven fabric is formed, strong enough to handle weight, pressure, and transportation. The next process will be printing, adding identity. The woven fabric enters food-grade printing systems where all key details are marked with precision. After printing, bag conversion processes are carried out to achieve precise dimensional accuracy. Final bag specifications: 50 kilograms sugar bag. Size: 900 millimeters x 590 millimeters. Weight: 125 gram, unlaminated. Strength and identity are not enough. Protection is essential. Then comes liner insertion, protection inside. The loose liner is manufactured and inserted as per standard requirements. The mass of the loose liner shall be 35 plus or minus 2 gram. The width of the loose liner shall be at least 20 millimeters more than the specified width of the sack. The length of the liner shall be at least 50 millimeters more than the specified length of the sack. Linear density: 111 tex, 1000 denier, 450 kilograms bags. Liner sealing, securing the protection layer. Before liner insertion, the liner is precisely sealed to ensure proper shape, strength, and integrity during bag conversion and filling operations. After sealing, the liner is securely inserted inside the woven bag to ensure leak protection, moisture resistance, and safe product containment. Bottom stitching, securing the bag. The bottom closure is executed with precision and consistency. 2 rows of stitching. Minimum 5 mm separation between rows. Outer stitch minimum 8 mm from edge. Double fold over seam with minimum 25 mm depth. Stitch penetration through minimum 6 fabric layers. 14 plus or minus 2 stitches per 100 millimeters. UV stabilized HDPE/PP tape or approved multi-filament yarn is used, ensuring durability under stress and handling conditions. After liner insertion, hemming, clean finishing. At the final stage, the top edge is sealed using hemming technology. This creates a clean, strong, and uniform finish, without loose fibers or uneven stitching. It begins with a granule and ends with strength you can depend on.